To validate your Koyeb account, follow these steps. Sign up or log in. Visit Koyeb and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Navigate to Settings. After logging in, navigate to the Settings section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage account information and validation settings. Verify email. If you haven't verified your email yet, Koyeb may prompt you to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email sent by Koyeb and click the verification link provided to confirm your email. Two-factor authentication. For enhanced security, Koyeb may prompt you to set up two-factor authentication. This step is optional but recommended to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Verify identity. Depending on your account setup or usage, Koyeb might ask for additional identity verification, such as providing personal or business information. This could include verification of company documents or other compliance-related documents. Complete account setup. Ensure that all required information is entered correctly to validate your account fully. This may involve providing billing information for usage-based services like deploying applications or managing resources. Confirmation. Once all necessary steps are completed, your Koyeb account will be fully validated, allowing you to deploy and manage applications, as well as access other features seamlessly.